How to speed up slow Capcut project. In order to speed up a slow or lagging Capcut project, you have to enable proxies, lower the timeline, playback resolution, and close unnecessary background applications. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to go to settings and you just want to make sure that you could split the large clips. So if you have a large clips, you just want to split that out. You want to make sure to select the ending as well as the starting point, and just you want to tap on this timeline, and there you have split. You can do this or split the tracks and drag and drop it to the another timeline as well. Next, what you also want to do is make sure to reduce effect layering. That means too much or too many stacked layers, filters, and complex transactions can cause heavy lagging as well. And if you're using complex animation, you can let Capcut render them to improve playback smoothness as well. And similarly, make sure that no background application is running. You want to close all the application in the background. You also want to ensure you have enough storage on your device, as low disk space or low storage can severely hinder performance as well. And you also want to make sure that the Capcut app is updated to the latest version. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.